In this application problem, it's talking about, it says the X-30 is a space plane that skims the edge of space at 4,000 miles per hour. Neglecting altitude, if the circumference of the Earth is approximately 25,000 miles, how long will it take for the X-30 to travel around the Earth? Okay, let's think about what kinds of things they're talking about here. They've told us that it's going 4,000 miles per hour. Well, if it's going 4,000 miles per hour, let's see what else they told us. They also told us that the Earth is approximately 25,000 miles, the circumference is. Okay. The 4,000 miles per hour, isn't that a speed, or another word for that would be a rate? And 25,000 miles, that's a distance. What are they asking us for here in this problem? They say, how long will it take for this to travel around the Earth? How long? That's talking about some kind of a time reference. Look at what they've given us and what they're asking us for. They've given us a rate and a distance, and they're asking us for a time. There is a formula that deals with these three things, and that formula is distance equals rate times time. So plugging in what we know the distance is 25,000 and the rate is 4,000. We can rewrite our formula as 25,000 equals 4,000 times t. We can solve for the missing variable now. So to undo that multiplication, we would need to divide both sides by 4,000. And now 25,000 divided by 4,000 is 6.25. That tells us that the time required to make this happen is 6.25 hours. Another type of problem that you might see would be converting temperatures from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. And in order to be able to do this, this again is a formula. So we need to know what both of those are. If you're going to convert Celsius temperatures to Fahrenheit, it's much easier to use this more straightforward formula that says Fahrenheit, or F, equals 9/5 C, which is Celsius temperature, plus 32. Now, if you're going the opposite way, if you're going to Celsius, you might want to use this form of the formula. They're actually the exact same thing. They've just been solved for either Fahrenheit or for Celsius to make it a little bit easier. This second formula says that the temperature in Celsius will equal 5/9 of the Fahrenheit temperature minus 32. Well, in this problem, it says convert Nome, Alaska's 14-degree Fahrenheit high temperature to Celsius. In this case, we're going to Celsius, so we want to use this formula. And in order to do that, we need to know what to plug in for F, or Fahrenheit. They gave us that this was 14 degrees. So we can rewrite our problem saying Celsius will equal 5/9 times 14 minus 32. And then we can look at order of operations to help us finish this out. We need to do our parentheses first. So Celsius will equal 5/9 times 14 minus 32 is negative 18. Now, if you need to put that over 1 so you can see the fractions, that's okay. And then we can do 9 goes into 18 two times. So 5 times negative 2 is negative 10 degrees. That tells us that our temperature in Celsius is negative 10 degrees, when Fahrenheit temperature would be 14.